This is my son Carson, and this is how we cut his hair. So I'm pushing up like this, and then pulling down from here, bring the two together, and let it aim straight at me, making it a clean line. Anybody else get to this part of the haircut and they're thinking, should I start with the interior or the exterior layers? Always have that debate. So when your hair's a little shorter like this, I usually like to start with the edges, but I do like to square up this back. So what I'll do is I'll go down till I touch the ear and use the line of the comb as a guide for how far under that. And I'll try to mimic that on the other side. If I pull it straight over my fingers like this and cut like that, it's gonna be a crisp line, but what I'm gonna do is turn it like this, and you're gonna be surprised at how that's gonna blend the line. So I'm trying to put a line just above the ear, and then I'm preserving the length and the bangs by pulling them to this same area. And you can see it's not as solid of a line. It's not a shelf. It's more of a graduated blended line, and as it dries, these top layers pop up even above that a little bit, so it gives a real quick, almost like a quick fade from short to long really fast. So one of the keys is I'm pushing hair up so that I have as much of this hair in my hand as possible when I pull this down. I can see the old line is about right here, so I want to get at least to that old line and maybe a little bit more. So I'm pushing up like this, and then pulling down from here, bring the two together, and let it aim straight at me, making it a clean line. And as we go in, I will rock out so that I'm not cutting anything above the line we put in. So now I've got quite a bit shorter, but I'm going to open it up to increase the length there. And then I'm going to show you guys a little cheat, my little cheater tool, texturizing scissors. If you put this tool in like this, it's only going to cut the hair this far, like a clipper guard, away from the head. So you can go in there and do this, and you're going to be not cutting the hairs that don't reach, and only the hairs that do reach. Now you can't do it this way as easily, but you can put this tool in there like this. It's only cutting some of the hairs anyway, and I'm kind of doing what would be kind of considered a point cut, right? I'm not cutting across like this because I feel like it'd still make a line. It would just be a dotted line. I did here, right? So now I'm just gonna go off to the side a little bit and come around and pivot around and probably be done after these two sections. Because I feel like I got down far enough on the side. You see, that's the side hair, that's the top hair. Just pulling it all together. Shake your head real hard. Oh, I like that, the way it's just falling. I don't think I'll brush at all. I think I'll just let people see how it looks now, so people can see that bottom part. Keep looking down. I like how that bottom and the back blends. Done.